Hello, it's great to see you again on the Great Garden channel. Are your orchids sending out a help signal like this? Wilted, yellow, and shriveled leaves with roots covered in mold and rot? Don't worry. With my 10 years of experience caring for orchids, I'll share how to revive and save your orchids using ingredients you can easily find right in your own kitchen. This method is extremely simple and anyone can do it, helping your orchids stay lush and bloom brilliantly. Let's discover the secret to saving your orchids right now. I bought this orchid pot for $2 at the store. It looks very weak and needs timely support. On closer inspection, the leaves have started to turn yellow, and mold has appeared on the roots, clear signs that the plant is experiencing problems with its nutrition and environment. To support the recovery process, the first step is to thoroughly remove any leaves showing signs of yellowing, damage, or decay to limit the spread of disease and create conditions for the plant to regenerate healthy tissue. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Next, I will gently cut away the plastic pot. Next, you need to remove all the old growing medium around the base of the plant. Moss is naturally an excellent moisture-retaining environment, but over time, it can rot, become compacted, and restrict airflow to the roots, while also serving as a breeding ground for harmful bacteria and fungi. Removing the old moss allows the roots to breathe better and provides an opportunity to carefully inspect every part of the root system. Any soft, rotten, damaged, or shriveled roots should be treated immediately to prevent the spread to healthy roots. This step is crucial to ensure the plant recovers quickly after repotting. Once the roots are well aerated, they can absorb oxygen more effectively, preventing waterlogging and root rot. This helps the orchid recover quickly, grow healthily, and prepares it for new shoots and future blooms. After removing all the old growing medium, I will use scissors sterilized with alcohol to cut away any rotten, damaged, or dried roots. This not only prevents the spread of fungi and bacteria, but also creates a favorable environment for new roots to grow strong, helping the plant recover quickly and develop sustainably. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, I will rinse the entire orchid with clean water. This step helps remove any remaining debris from the old growing medium, as well as dirt, pathogens, or insect eggs on the roots and leaves. Once cleaned in this way, the plant becomes more aerated, allowing the roots to absorb oxygen and nutrients more easily in the future. Here, I rinse the plant once more with clean water to ensure all dirt, bacteria, and mold on the leaves and roots are completely removed. After rinsing the entire orchid with water, I will let the plant rest in a cool, well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight. Once the cut surfaces have sealed, the plant will minimize the risk of root rot or fungal infections in the future. To help the orchid recover more quickly, I will use rice. Rice is a familiar ingredient that provides gentle vitamins and nutrients, helping the orchid's roots and new shoots recover, grow healthily, and bloom better. I will use 3 tablespoons of rice like this. Add it to 500 milliliters of clean water. Next, stir the prepared rice thoroughly to create a nutrient-rich solution that helps the orchid recover quickly and stimulates healthy growth of roots and stems. Then, strain to collect the clear liquid. This rice water is rich in nutrients, helping the orchid's roots and stems recover quickly and promoting healthy growth. Next, add 3 vitamin B1 tablets to stimulate the plant's revival. For weaker orchids, you can also add a small teaspoon of honey to boost the plant's vitality. Then, cover the container and let the solution soak for about 1 hour so that all the nutrients fully dissolve, ready to provide optimal energy for the orchid. After 1 hour, I prepare 1 liter of water to dilute the soaked rice solution. Stirring well to ensure the nutrients are completely dissolved. Pour the rice water mixture into a cup. Next, soak the entire orchid roots in the solution so that the nutrients are absorbed directly, helping the roots recover quickly, boosting vitality, and stimulating strong growth. Soak the roots in the solution for about 20 minutes. While waiting, I will use a soft cotton cloth soaked in the solution to wipe all the leaves of the plant. This helps remove dust, enhances photosynthesis, improves nutrient absorption, and stimulates healthy leaves. The compounds from rice and B1 also boost resistance, inhibit fungi, bacteria, and pathogens, while providing nitrogen and minerals that help the leaves become lush, thick, and develop from the inside out. Healthy leaves allow the plant to better nourish the roots and flowers, promoting more abundant and longer-lasting blooms. Perform this process once a week during the first month, then reduce to once a month to maintain overall health. Remember to wipe gently and use a clean cloth so that the nutrients are optimally absorbed, helping the orchid grow vibrant, strong, and produce beautiful flowers. Additionally, any leftover solution can be used to water other plants in the garden, saving resources while providing natural nutrients. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and evenly mist the entire orchid, including the stems, roots, front and back of the leaves, as well as the leaf axils. Even spraying ensures the plant absorbs sufficient nitrogen and minerals, stimulates root development, boosts resistance, and promotes healthy growth of leaves, stems, and flowers. During the first month, spray once a week, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain overall health, helping the orchid grow sustainably, bloom consistently, and last longer. Next, pour the mixture into a specialized watering can. Then, gently water around the base of the plant. This watering provides sufficient nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, promoting comprehensive growth from the leaves to the roots. The mixture also improves the structure of the growing medium, loosening the soil to help the roots absorb nutrients more effectively. While boosting resistance and protecting the plant from harmful fungi, bacteria, and insects. When the plant is well nourished, the foliage becomes lush and green, the roots strong, and the flowers bloom evenly and last longer. After soaking for 20 minutes, remove the orchid from the solution and proceed to repot it. For repotting this orchid, I will choose a plastic pot because it is lightweight, drains well, and is very suitable for root development. Here, I am using pine bark as the growing medium, a familiar substrate that is highly aerated and helps prevent waterlogging, which can cause root rot. First, I will spread a layer of pine bark at the bottom of the pot to provide aeration and help water drain quickly after each watering. Then, place the orchid in the pot once the roots are completely dry and gently arrange additional pieces of pine bark around the root system. The roots should be snugly supported by the medium while maintaining good airflow, and the plant should stand firmly and be securely stabilized. Next, I will insert a sturdy stake close to the base of the plant and carefully tie the orchid to it with a string. This seemingly simple step is actually very important. It helps the plant stand firmly, protects newly emerging roots from damage, and creates an ideal environment for the plant to stabilize, develop new roots quickly, and recover healthily after repotting. Then, I will cover the surface of the pot with a thin layer of moss. The moss not only helps retain moisture in the medium, maintaining an ideal environment for root growth, but also enhances the aesthetic, making it look fresh and natural. After completing the above steps, do not water the plant immediately. Instead, let it rest for 5 days in a cool, well-ventilated place with gentle light, avoiding direct sunlight. This period is very important for the cuts on the roots and stems to dry, minimizing the risk of fungal or bacterial infections. After about 5 days, once the plant has adjusted to its new environment and the root cuts have fully dried, I will begin supplementing nutrients. At this point, I use rice water combined with a little B1 and honey to water the orchid. This combination helps the orchid recover strongly, promotes faster root growth, restores lush green leaves, and quickly stabilizes the plant for a new growth cycle. Results after 1 month. After 1 month of care with this solution, you can easily see that the orchid has undergone a remarkable transformation. The roots have begun to sprout new tips, white and plump, a clear sign that the plant is recovering and growing very well. Remarkably, a new leaf has appeared, showing that the plant is not only recovering, but also entering a stronger growth phase. The older leaves, which were previously wilted, have become firm, lush green, and healthy. This revival provides a fresh source of energy for the entire plant, helping it quickly stabilize and prepare for long-term growth, and even potentially readying it to bloom in the near future. Enjoy every moment of caring for your plants. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss other orchid care videos and interesting gardening tips. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on the Great Garden channel.